Hi, Brenda. Get well soon. Love, Mary. 7 smiles. Hi, Brenda. I hope you're feeling better today. And I made this especially for you. I have been working in my garden and I made a new landscaping. How do you like it? Spring is coming. Take care. Miss your videos and your sweet voice and smiles. Listen to the water of healing. Take care, Brenda. I miss you and I hope you're feeling better. God bless you. You are such a strong, sweet, kind lady, which I have enjoyed almost a year now, writing to you and watching your beautiful videos and your beautiful parakeets and also all your lovely nature animals and your beautiful snow and water. Thank you, Brenda, for all your enjoyment and happiness. I always look forward to your videos. You are such a beautiful woman and a lady. And God bless you and your family. Take care. May the Virgen de Guadalupe watch over you and take good care of you. And soon you will be better. Here's St. Francis for you, for all your beautiful animals. I love you, Brenda. As you see, and you hear, there's a helicopter going by. But they are wishing you well, too. Again, my dear sweet Brenda, love, Mary. Took me 2 days to do this, but I enjoyed it. So special for you. Take care. See you in the movies. Bye-bye.